students, how are you? I hope all are good. Today, let me start SST chapter number 9, family and community. Okay? Family, सबको पता है? Family means हमारा परिवार और हमारा समाज, यानी कि आसपास के लोग. So, let's begin. What is family? Family means having someone to love you unconditionally, in spite of you and your shortcomings. ठीक है, परिवार वो होता है जो आपको अनकंडीशनली, यानी कि मतलब कोई कंडीशन नहीं होती उसमें, आपको मतलब स्वार्थ नहीं होता, आपको वहाँ पे आपकी कमियों के साथ आप जैसे हो वैसे आपको एक्सेप्ट किया जाता है और आपको वहाँ पे प्यार किया जाता है बहुत ज़्यादा. Family is loving and supporting one another even when it's not easy to do so. It's being the best person you could be so that you may inspire your loved ones. Family doesn't see color, race, creed, not culture. It sees heart. है ना? परिवार में क्या होता है, ये सब चीज़ें नहीं दिखती. कलर और ये इसमें दिखाए क्या कह रहे हैं कि कलर, रेस, क्रीड, ये जो फैमिली होती है उनका जो कनेक्शन होता है बाय हार्ट होता है. Okay, family is not always about being connected biologically because understands that other things and influences bind us. Family is unrelenting, it's secure and reliable. Family is not just important, it's what is most important. Family is the most fundamental unit of society. Everyone is a part of someone's family. है ना, हर कोई एक परिवार का हिस्सा, ठीक है, कोई भी व्यक्ति है. And we generally have many members in our family. कई बार बहुत सारे मेंबर होते हैं, एक से ज़्यादा तो होते ही होते हैं, केवल एक सिंगल पर्सन तो नहीं होता परिवार में, 2 होते हैं, 3 भी होते हैं, 4 भी होते हैं, 6 भी होते हैं. ठीक है. हैव यू एवर wondered how we address these individuals? Well, every relation in a family has a name, but it a nuclear family, a joint family, a single parent, or an extended family. It is important to know the various people we are related to. This would ensure we respect and address them appropriately. सिंगल परिवार होता है ना, एकल परिवार, और जॉइंट फैमिली, इसमें बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, दादा दादी. अब देखिए यहाँ पे फैमिली के बारे में है कुछ. Let us look into some of the name of relations in a family. Father, mother, son, daughter, husband, wife, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, grandson, uncle and aunt. तो यहाँ पे पूरा ही पिक्चर्स दी गई है, आप इनको अच्छे से देख लीजिएगा. टाइप्स ऑफ फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर. आइए अब देखते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ फैमिली. सो फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर्स कम इन वेरियस शेप्स एंड साइज. है ना, जो फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर होता है शेप एंड साइज होते हैं उसके भी, बट ईच वन इज जस्ट एज वैलिड एज द नेक्स्ट. सो understanding family structure can better help to figure out the dynamics of relatives and how to make relationship developmentally appropriate. These structures include, एक होता है न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. न्यूक्लियर फैमिली मतलब मम्मी पापा और 2 बच्चे, that's it. Nuclear families, also known as elementary or traditional families, consist of 2 parents, usually married or common law, and their children only. This is nuclear family. Nuclear families typically have 1 or more children. They may be biological or adopted, but the main idea is that the parents are raising their kids together in the family. Extended family. Extended family मतलब फैली हुई, बड़ी हुई family. In different cultures, families are much more common and have been around for hundreds of years. Extended families are families with 2 or more adults who are related through blood or marriage, usually along with children. This often includes aunt, uncle, cousin or other relatives living under the same roof. तो वो होती है extended family. Typically, extended families live together for social support and to achieve formal goals. For example, parents may live with their children and their children's grandparents. This gives the family the ability to provide care for their elderly, and in turn, the grandparents may be able to help with child care while the parents are at work. Okay, number 2. Next, roles and responsibilities of a family. तो एक परिवार में सबको क्या भूमिका होती है, क्या जिम्मेदारियां होती हैं, उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. So families play a vital role in society and in the lives of their members with many responsibilities and roles including emotional support, ठीक है, भावनात्मक जो एक वो होता है। फैमिलीज प्रोवाइड अ सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंग एंड कंडीशनल लव एंड एक्सेप्टेंस। पेरेंट्स एंड केयर गिवर्स कैन मीट चिल्ड्रंस इमोशनल नीड्स थ्रू पॉजिटिव अटेंशन, नर्चरिंग एंड रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस। So guidance and encouragement. Families can help members navigate life challenges by offering guidance and encouragement. मतलब एक दूसरे का सपोर्ट, कोई परेशान है उसकी प्रॉब्लम में उसका साथ देना, इमोशनली सपोर्ट करना, ठीक है, और मतलब बिना हट के समझना चीज़ों को। तो वो एक कहाँ हमारा जो जोन होता है फैमिली का, कंफर्ट जोन, उसमें हम ये चीज़ें शेयर कर सकते हैं। प्रोवाइडिंग फॉर नीड्स। फैमिलीज कैन हेल्प शेप अ पर्सन्स वैल्यूज, बिलीव्स एंड बिहेवियर्स। प्रोवाइडिंग फॉर नीड्स। Families are responsible for providing for their own needs, including financial stability. Promoting financial literacy. Families can promote financial literacy among their members. Socialization. Families are primary agent of socialization and play a key role in the transmission of cultural and ethical norms across generations. गिविंग चिल्ड्रन एज अप्रोप्रिएट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, यानी कि क्या होता है, बच्चा सारी चीज़ें अपने घर से सीखता है ना, किसी की हेल्प करना, किसी की मतलब किसी को सपोर्ट करना, है ना, ये चीज़ें कहाँ से, बच्चा सबसे पहले अपनी फैमिली से सीखता है ये सब चीज़ें। गिविंग चिल्ड्रन एज अप्रोप्रिएट chores and jobs can help them build confidence and independence and feel a sense of belonging. Following our dharma or doing our duty has been an important principle of Indian culture. The family is also a school where children learn important values such as ahimsa, दान, सेवा, ठीक है, त्याग, क्या क्या है इसकी, गिविंग, दान यानी कि देना, सर्विस, दूसरों की हेल्प करना, सेक्रीफाइसेस करना, ठीक है। तो ये सब कहाँ से सीखता है बच्चा? अपनी फैमिली से, जो हमारे एल्डर होते हैं वो हमको सिखाते हैं। इंडिविजुअल्स इन द फैमिली ऑफन गिव अप देयर और नीड्स टू टेक केयर ऑफ द फैमिलीज नीड। व्हाट इज अ कम्युनिटी? अ कम्युनिटी इज ए ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल लिविंग और वर्किंग टुगेदर। कम्युनिटी वो होती है जहाँ लोग एक साथ रहते हैं और एक साथ काम करते हैं। इन द सेम एरिया, पीपल इन communities might go to same school, shop in the same stores and do the same things, है ना, जैसे सेम ऑफिस में काम करते हैं, सेम कंपनी में, सेम स्कूल में, तो वो हो जाते हैं कम्युनिटी। They also help each other and solve problems together. It is a bigger community. The people in it might not always go to the same places, but they might like or believe in the same things. A community is a familiar thread used to bring people together, to advocate and support each other in the fight to overcome those threats. As human beings, we need a sense of belonging, and that sense of belonging is what connects us to the many relationships we develop. Communities are also rich in resources. That is where their collective aspect comes into play. We are all members of many communities, family, work, neighborhood, etc., and we constantly move in and out of them depending on the situation. Communities where we find comfort in difficult times. When things are not going well in one community, we have the option to move to another family, and community are interconnected in many ways, including social institution. Families and communities are two of the most important social institutions that shape a person development and daily life. Support system. Families and communities provide support, take care, resilience and a sense of belonging. Shared values. Families and communities share values and influence each other's resources and dynamics. Learning environment. Families and communities create the environment where children learn and grow into adults. School partnership. Families, schools, and communities can work together to improve student outcomes. Positive school climate. When families and communities are involved in their children's education, it can lead to a positive school climate. है ना, जो फैमिली और कम्युनिटी इन्वॉल्व देयर चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशन, तो क्या होता है, स्कूल का जो वो होता है क्लाइमेट वो पॉजिटिव होता है। हालमा इज ए ट्रेडिशनल फेस्टिवल एंड कम्युनिटी प्रैक्टिस अमंग द भिल tribes of Madhya Pradesh. India that involves collective labor and mutual support, meaning the word Halma translates to call for help. Activities, people from the Bhil community volunteer to help with manual labor such as constructions, repairs, agriculture activities, and community marriages. So, water conservation. In Jhabua, a drought-prone district, the Halma tradition has been linked with water conservation practices. For example, in one instance, over 3,000 people dug 4,000 trenches along a mountain to save 2 crore liters of water per year. Importance. Halma is a tradition of selflessness and brotherhood that shows how each other's strength is made in the society. Initiation. Padam Shri Mahesh Sharma ji visited each village of Jhabua to make people realize the importance of Halma in today's world. Other name. Similar traditions of mutual community corporation are also known as Halma, Handa and Khida. ये हेल्पफुल होते हैं हमारे लिए इस कम्युनिटी के लोग. There are different types of communities. Let us understand with few examples. So, number one, an ethnic community is a group of people who share the same cultural heritage. The includes shared traditional language and values. A multicultural community is a group of people from different cultures who lives and interact with one another in the same area. A regional community is a group of people who share the same geographic region. A religious community is a group of people who share the same religion. The students, all topics are covered in this chapter here. I hope you all are very well enjoyed and understand it. So, we will see you next class. Thank you.